Have you ever worried that the next iPhone would cost way more than before? With everything around us getting pricier, it almost feels like a new iPhone automatically means a bigger bill. But this time, things might not be as bad as many people expected. In fact, the iPhone 17 could bring some surprising relief when it comes to pricing. Right now, we're just a week away from Apple's big eye-dropping event, where the iPhone 17 lineup will finally be unveiled. And as always, rumors about specs, design, and especially prices are spreading everywhere. Some say the prices will climb higher, while others suggest Apple may hold the line. But according to a fresh report from analysts at JPMorgan iPhone, fans may actually walk away happier than expected. So, what's the deal? Well, JPMorgan believes that Apple will either keep the iPhone 17's price exactly the same as last year, or only increase it in ways that don't really count as real price hikes. Let me explain. Take the iPhone 17 Pro, for example. If you remember the iPhone 15 Pro Max, Apple got rid of the 128GB storage option and made 256GB the new entry point. That meant the starting price looked $100 higher, but in reality, you were also getting double the storage. It seems Apple is planning something similar this time around. So yes, the iPhone 17 Pro could technically start at $1,099 instead of $999. But with that extra storage, most people won't feel like they're paying more for the same thing. The regular iPhone 17, on the other hand, is expected to stick at $799. That's good news, especially since this model is usually the one most people buy. No increase means Apple is playing it safe, likely to keep sales strong in a time when many buyers are being careful with their spending. Now, the iPhone 17 Pro Max, the biggest and flashiest of them all, might also surprise us. Despite being the top-tier model, reports suggest its starting price could remain at $1,199. If that's true, Apple fans who love the biggest screen and best cameras won't be punished with a bigger price tag this year. But then there's the wild card, the iPhone 17 Air. This is Apple's brand new slim model, designed to replace the iPhone 16 Plus. Since it's a fresh addition to the lineup, Apple might treat it differently. Analysts predict a starting price somewhere between $899 and $949. If it lands closer to $899, it'll look like a fair replacement for the Plus. But if it touches $949, some people might feel like it's a small increase disguised as a new model.